Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to check your crypto. COM limits. Understanding your transaction limits is crucial for managing your cryptocurrency activities effectively. We will go through a straightforward method to quickly locate these important figures within the application. This ensures you can plan your deposits, withdrawals, and trades without unexpected interruptions, making your experience smooth and predictable. Let's dive right into the process. To begin, open your crypto.com application and securely log into your account. Once inside, look for the settings icon, which is typically represented by a gear symbol and located in an easily accessible area, often the top left or right corner. Tapping this will open a menu where you will find an option clearly labeled fees and limits or something very similar. This is your gateway to all the important information. Once you are in the fees and limits section, you will see a comprehensive breakdown of various transaction limits. These often include daily, weekly, and monthly caps for different activities. Pay close attention to the specific limits for fiat currency deposits, cryptocurrency withdrawals, and even card top-ups. Each category will clearly display the maximum amounts allowed, helping you manage your funds efficiently and avoid any surprises. To ensure a smooth experience, always review your current limits before making any significant transactions. Remember that your specific limits might vary based on your account's verification level. Higher verification often means higher limits. If you find your current limits are insufficient for your needs, or if you have any questions, do not hesitate to reach out to Crypto.com's customer support for assistance. They are there to help you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.